Understanding Garden Stone in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a unique phrase in English, garden stone. This might seem like a simple combination of words, but it's always exciting to delve deeper into the language. Let's discover together what this phrase means and how it's used in different contexts. Garden stone generally refers to a piece of stone used in gardens. These stones can serve various purposes, such as decoration, marking a path, or even having inscriptions. They are often chosen for their aesthetic value and can come in different shapes and sizes. But there's more to it than just its literal meaning. In many cultures, a garden stone carries symbolic meaning. For example, in Japanese gardens, stones can represent islands or mountains, playing a significant role in creating a miniature, idealized landscape. They are not just stones, they're an art form, reflecting nature and harmony. Sometimes, garden stone might be used metaphorically. For instance, in literature or poetry, a garden stone could symbolize stability or permanence amidst the changing seasons of a garden, representing life's constant changes. It's fascinating how a simple object can be imbued with such deep meaning. Let's not forget the practical aspect. In gardening, garden stones are used to create pathways, define spaces, or as focal points in a landscape design. They're an essential element in garden aesthetics, contributing to the overall look and feel of the garden. I hope this video helps you appreciate the richness of the English language and the depth that even simple phrases like garden stone can have. Whether it's in practical use, symbolic representation, or cultural significance, there's always something new to learn and explore. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.